Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A binary puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, May the 14th, 2022. We have two puzzles left: Tectonic with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. But it's time for the binary puzzle number 4552. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright. Well, I see here an O and a 1 there with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O or a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Double 1, here no there no. Double O, here 1 there 1. Double 1, here no there no. Double O, here 1 there 1. Double 1, here no there no. Double O, here 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no there no. Double O, here 1 there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1 there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1 there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think we need to compare. Well, I cannot compare the columns, so I think we need to compare the rows. For example, this row and that row. Empty box. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there 1. Double 1 here, no there no. Let me see. No. 10. No. We have 10 here. No, this is not the same. 10, 101, 101. This row and that row. 1100 empty box 110011. We need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third and last puzzle of today. 8 tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.